Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to return the list of the roles granted to the current user as part of the Snowflake tips and tricks playlist. To return the list of roles granted to the current user, we have to use the current underscore available underscore roles function, which is part of the context functions. This function returns a string that lists all the roles granted to the current user. The return string contains a JSON encoded list of all roles that the user can specify in a use role statement. This includes all the roles that are directly granted to the user plus all lower privileged roles in the hierarchy of the roles granted to the current user. Let me show you the by executing this current underscore available roles. Here before executing, let me see the what is the my current user. Select current underscore user. This is also one of the context function. So here if you see my user current user is the Krishna. Now I want to know the what are all roles have been granted to this user. Okay, by executing the current underscore available roles context function. As I said that these are the roles have been assigned to the Krishna user. Now the return list of the roles granted the current user. This is the return list of. Okay. So this is the form of a string which is contains the JSON format. Now I want to see the row wise. Okay. Each role. So to do that, use the parse underscore JSON function to return a variant and flatten function to obtain a single row for each role. So here is the query to achieve that format. If you see here now, each role has been written in a separate row. Like the current user and index is the 0, its value is the 1 row. Sys underscore service underscore fr. Internally, this role and again we have a all roles from the same column which has been granted to the user, current user. So in the second, you have a account admin, and third one is the another role. Like that, we can here we displayed the each role in a separate row instead of one string which contains a JSON format. That is all about this tip. This tip may useful when when you are getting some issues while executing any statement because of lacking of these roles, so that before getting connect with the your sysadmin, it would be better to check yourself, so that once you are confirm that I don't have any role respective role to execute, then we can inform to the your sysadmin administrator that these are the current roles have been assigned to me. So could you please assign the required role so that it will be useful to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will come up with the next video with another tip.